Today, network edge connectivity keeps expanding, but tolerance for downtime is shrinking. To succeed, you need a robust industrial unmanaged switch you can rely on. Moxa's EDS-2000 and G2000-EL series are designed to ensure smooth network performance in different industrial environments. For data-intensive applications, the EDS-G2000-EL series features full gigabit support for optimal transmission performance. For AGVs operating in rough environments, the compact and rugged unmanaged switches are built to withstand interference and vibrations. Even in harsh factory environments, such as frozen food production, the switch's wide temperature design ensures seamless operations. For automated factories that rely on critical machine control data, these switches support quality of service to prioritize critical data transmissions. By combining an extra small footprint with outstanding reliability and simplicity, the EDS-2000 and G2000-EL series are perfect for applications that need robust networks. Go beyond the limits with Moxa's EDS-2000 and G2000-EL series. Build robust industrial networks with plug-and-play simplicity.